I got busy working on the truck, so I didn't have time to take a lot of videos, but I got some pictures. I used some boards to support the cab, jacked it up a little bit to get at the floor cab mounts. I removed this panel in pieces, drilled out all the spot welds. This is the new piece. I have some other chunks I'll be put in. I'd recommend rebuilding your cab before you start with the chassis. Make things a lot easier. So, just a note. So I ended up strapping it to the ceiling so I could lift the body up and put the door on to check the fit. The bottom here was really rusty and thin, so I cut it out and welded in a new piece. I also put in a new rocker panel and a cab mount. I attached the lower cowl panel on with some screws to check the fit. It fit good, so I welded it on. So I'm using an old car hood for the floorboard metal. I found a decent way to cut it. Just use a skill saw with a plywood blade on it, and it cuts right through it. This is the driver's side. I made cardboard cutouts, then cut them out of tin and welded them in. Turned out good. Passenger side was pretty rusty too. I didn't buy the patch panel for the pillars, so I fabricated my own. Turned out pretty good. I replaced the body mount on the passenger side, and the rocker panel was a little more solid, so I just fabricated what was rusted off. On the passenger side, I just replaced the lower cowl panel inner fender, so I had something to bolt the fender to. Same thing on the passenger side. I fabricated it out of cardboard, then cut it out, welded it in. Turned out really nice. I pulled the diff cover to change degrees to find I have a 307 posi. I put the front end on so I could fit everything together, mark the mounting holes, and then I'll remove it and drill them out in the new sheet metal.